Bing, bing. Bing, bing. Bing, bing. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, yes.
Up. Go, go, move, move, move your feet. Alright. See that? Come here.
They're not gonna move.
You got two.
Yes.
Come on.
They got two, but one.
You got two. So yeah, you shot one, you followed it up. That means you called the bad shot and you made it up. That's good, but you gotta do that faster. Two. So you got one Alpha, one Charlie. Now you got Charlie, Charlie. That's not bad. Make them all A's and let's do it faster. All right?
Okay.
Up. Move, 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 move. Go, go, go. All right.
So I called like the one that I did not make a finish. Did you turn it on?
Yeah, come on.
It's harder than you think.
All right, let's see this.
It's harder than it
It's
looks.
jammed up.
I'm sure 3 that time. Yeah, it gets jammed a lot.
All right.
It's harder than it looks. Alright.
So once you shoot your two, you know you don't have any makeup shots anymore. So shoot your two at the body in the A, and move it right after you shoot, because you know there's nothing you can do anymore. So bang, whoop, bang, whoop, bang, whoop, bang. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Stand by. Up. Go.
Right up.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right.
I missed a couple.
So let's look at where you shot. You got one Alpha, one Charlie. Over here. One Alpha, one Mike. Mike is a miss.
Oh.
One Alpha, one Charlie. One Alpha, one Delta. Delta, Charlie.
So we lost the ammo, and then we found it over here. I found it actually. He's just doing that over there. And he was like, "Did we actually bring the animal?" I was like, "I guess not." And then I was like, "Oh, there's an animal." I was like, "Where?" And then I found it and I gave it to him. He was super silly. He couldn't find it.
Up. Go. Keep moving. All right. 2. That would be a Charlie on a regular 2. All right, let's run it again. Stand by. Up.
I did good because I did those 2 and that one, 2 alphas.
Yeah, but what happened here? Alpha, Delta.
Delta. There, I think I did a
2.
alpha, alpha,
2.
alpha, alpha. Wait, is this still recording?
Yep.
Okay.
2.
Alpha, alpha,
2.
alpha, alpha.
There we go.
So I got 2. I got all 2.
Yep, it's getting better, huh?
Yeah.
Lean forward.
Yes.
Stand by. Up. Go, go.
I got Charlie with that. Up.
Stand by. Up. So those last 4 shots were perfect. Come on.
I know, I saw the last 4 shots.
Look. 2. All right. Right here. You got 2. This is what's killing you, is when you're walking and shooting. Right here, I'm not going to shoot, but I am getting my dot ready. So right here, I'm moving fast. So you ready? I'm going to do this. So say up.
Up.
Okay. That's you see how I just skipped all this space, and I ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Up. Start moving back. Start moving. Now move. Aim through the gate and move. Perfect. How'd that feel?
It's just a little bit like weird when I start from there.
Two. Ooh, Charlie Delta. And Charlie.
Hi, yeah, missing.
Now, when you come back, aim through the gate again. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, move your feet. Try to go fast. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Stand by. Up. Now move. Lean forward. Move. Go. Come back. Hurry. Run.
Yes.
Stand by. Up. Go. Run. Lean forward. Move. There you go. Go. Did you forget? There you go.
Charlie's. Yes.
Stand by. Up. Go. All right. You forgot to aim through the gate. That's all right. All right, let's look at him. You said what?
I think we got Charlie on this one.
Yeah, you got 1 Charlie.
You still missed it.
It's fine. Go. Two.
Alpha, good. Alphas! Can I do the very last one?
Looks like a Charlie and Charlie. It's an automatic. No, hold the trigger down. It's automatic. Have fun with it.
That's fun.
Yeah.